Hi, welcome back to the channel. So we have seen so far how to install Apache, how to install MySQL and PHP and MySQL and Apache related PHP libraries onto our Ubuntu server. Now we'll be seeing how to install our PHPMYADMIN. So same sudo at get install PHPMyAdmin. Again press Y. So this is the place where you will select either it is Apache 2 or Light TPD. Since we have installed Apache 2, we will be going with Apache 2. This gets unpacking everything. Again, it creates a files for that and creating a connection. So you see here it is saying that configure database for PHPMyAdmin with db config common. Click enter. My so the password, again you can give a new password or just remember the password that you have already given in the MySQL application. So here it is saying that your password does not satisfy the current policy requirements. Your options are abort or retry, or you can again retry. So if you have entered a wrong password, then it will try. So just go to retry and then give a password. So it will be Unix of socket. So I'll just go with the default. So database name is phpMyAdmin. Again you need to enter your application password. So if you get these kind of errors, just do abort and you can try again. So just rerun the code. Yes, retry. Once we are done, so what we have done here is we have ignored the policies, so it will accept the password that you have entered. So just do remember the password that you have entered and then just clear. Connect to your MySQL, sudo mysql -root -p. So now we are in the MySQL. So now what we need to do is we need to alter the user, that is a root user. So the MySQL command is alter user and the username is root @localhost. So see that you are typing everything correctly, because even if a single typo will cause you an error, and even a space, identified with MySQL Okay, here now I need to enter my password. So I'll be pausing the video, and once I run this command again, I'll just connect it back. So I'll be pasting the same code in the comments section, so you can copy this and paste it wherever you need it by replacing your own password. So once you have done this, and whenever you just go to your browser and check this, so you will be getting an error saying that not found, because we haven't given a source file of Apache 2 onto our server. So now what we'll do is we'll be going to that Apache server, and then we will be giving the link, or you can say that we will be giving the root access to the Apache server. So now what we'll do is just go to the Apache path, that is in CD. If you remember from the first video, Apache path is cd space etc/Apache 2. So this is the path where it is. Okay, once you are in this, so here you need to see the files list. So these are the files. So the thing that we need to edit is apache2.conf. So in general what I'll use is sudo nano. You have other options also, so I'll just go with nano apache 2. If you press tab, it will give you the whole file name, and then just click enter. So this is your Apache file, so that once you make the changes, it will get affected here, and you can able to see your PHPMYADMIN page here, login page. So just go back to your bash code, and I don't want it to make any changes here, so I'll just go at the bottom of the page and I'll add my own code. Okay, so here what I'll say is so this is the Apache path under PHPMyAdmin. So we are linking both together. So just press enter. Sorry, save it. For saving it, you can see that Control X is the exit. So when you exit, it will ask whether you wanted to modify it. Click yes, and enter. So now we need to refresh our Apache server, I mean like restart. So the reload is sudo service apache 2 reload. So now we have restarted our server. So our next task is just go to our browser and see that it gets loaded. So if you see, okay, so now again, now you need to see what is the username and what is the password. So you have two options, one it will be root or it will be localhost. So try with localhost and the password. So if you are getting an error, then see that you have run all the code properly, and then try with root. So change your username to root and enter your password, then click on go. So now you have logged into this. So if you see, you have some errors here. Is not completely configured, some extended features have been deactivated. Find out why. So it will show you create a database named and set a PHPMYADMIN configuration storage here. Then you can just create, if not then you can just leave it as it is. So you see you have created a PHPMYADMIN here. MySQL reconnect access denied for the user PHPMYADMIN using password. So again you can ignore this, if not I'll just tell what it is, how to resolve this in the next video. So far we have seen how to create our instance, how to install Apache because Apache works as a server, and then how to install MySQL for the database, and then PHP as a backend. So instead of PHP we can go with Java or Node or anything else. So since I have working on WordPress, so I needed PHP, so I showed you how to install PHP. I'll also be showing you how to install Node or Java whenever I'm working on those applications. Sorry. And then MySQL database, which goes along with PHP, and then PHPMyAdmin, so that we can access the database from our front end. So please stay tuned and please do subscribe so that you get update on all the videos we have or I have uploaded it. Have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.